Our eyes are our windows to the world, but are we doing enough to protect them? With increasing screen time, poor diets, and exposure to harmful light, our vision is more vulnerable than ever. In today's video, I'll share 10 proven ways to protect your vision and improve your eye health naturally. From lifestyle changes to the best foods and supplements, we'll cover it all. And make sure to stick around because I'll also introduce a supplement called iGenics, which is a game changer for maintaining healthy vision. Our eyes work tirelessly every day, processing millions of images and adapting to various lighting conditions. But factors like aging, blue light exposure, and nutrient deficiencies can take a toll on your vision. That's why it's crucial to prioritize eye health early on. Whether you're experiencing minor issues like dryness or concerned about conditions like macular degeneration, these tips can help you preserve and even enhance your eyesight. 1. Eat a rainbow diet. A balanced diet plays a vital role in eye health. Foods rich in vitamin A, such as carrots, help maintain the retina's functionality. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, which protect against harmful light. Don't forget omega-3 fatty acids from salmon or walnuts, which reduce dry eye symptoms and support overall eye function. 2. Hydrate your eyes. Your eyes rely on proper hydration to produce tears and stay moist. Dehydration can lead to dry, itchy eyes. Drink at least 8 glasses of water daily to support tear production, and consider preservative-free eye drops to keep your eyes lubricated, especially if you live in a dry environment. 3. Follow 20-20-20 rule. With increased screen time, digital eye strain has become common. The 20-20-20 rule is a simple yet effective way to prevent it. Every 20 minutes, look at an object 20 feet away for 20 seconds. This reduces the strain on your eye muscles and allows them to reset, improving focus and comfort. 4. Wear sunglasses. UV rays can damage your eyes just like your skin. Over time, exposure increases the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. Invest in sunglasses with 100% UV protection and polarized lenses. These block harmful rays and reduce glare, protecting your vision even on cloudy days. 5. Exercise regularly. Exercise isn't just for your heart and muscles, it's crucial for your eyes too. Physical activity improves blood circulation, ensuring that your eyes receive sufficient oxygen and nutrients. Exercises like yoga can also reduce stress, which is known to negatively impact eye health. While these tips are great, sometimes your diet and lifestyle may not provide all the nutrients your eyes need. That's where iGenics comes in. iGenics is a powerful, all-natural supplement designed to support your vision and protect against age-related eye issues. It's packed with lutein, zeaxanthin, vitamin A, and other essential nutrients scientifically proven to improve eye health. Here's what makes iGenics special. 1. Comprehensive formula targets eye strain, oxidative damage, and inflammation. 2. Backed by research, contains ingredients that support retinal health and visual clarity. 3. Easy to use. Just 1 capsule a day fits seamlessly into your routine. If you want to ensure your eyes are getting the best care, try iGenics. I'll leave a link in the description with an exclusive discount just for my viewers. 6. Reduce blue light exposure. Blue light from devices like smartphones, laptops, and TVs can harm the retina and disrupt your sleep cycle. Using blue light blocking glasses or enabling night mode on devices filters out harmful rays. For those who work long hours in front of a screen, these small adjustments can protect your eyes and improve focus. 7. Quit smoking. Smoking damages blood vessels in your eyes, increasing your risk of serious issues like cataracts and macular degeneration. It also reduces blood flow to the optic nerve. If quitting feels overwhelming, seek support groups or professional advice. Remember, every step away from smoking is a step toward better vision and overall health. 8. Get regular eye checkups. Eye conditions like glaucoma, diabetic retinopathy, and cataracts often develop without noticeable symptoms in the early stages. A comprehensive eye exam not only detects these issues, but also checks for changes in your prescription and overall eye health, so schedule an annual visit to your eye doctor to stay ahead of potential problems. 9. Avoid rubbing your eyes. Rubbing your eyes may feel comforting, but it can damage delicate blood vessels and corneal tissue. Worse, your hands carry germs that can cause infections like conjunctivitis. If your eyes itch or feel irritated, use sterile eye drops or a clean, damp cloth to gently soothe them instead. 10. Use proper lighting. Working or reading in dim light forces your eyes to strain, leading to discomfort and fatigue. Use soft, natural light during the day and adjust desk lamps with warm tones in the evening. This not only protects your eyes but also creates a more relaxing environment for productivity. To summarize, taking small but consistent steps like eating nutrient-rich foods, Protecting your eyes from harmful rays and reducing screen time can make a huge difference. And don't forget to try iGenics for that extra boost in your eye health journey. Click the link in the description to order your bottle today and start seeing the world more clearly. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family who care about their vision. Let me know in the comments which of these tips you'll start with.